Good morning, Mr. Budi Hidayat. As a director and owner of PT Sagi Kapri, my name is Valentinus Pratama from the Finance and Accounting Department. And today I would like to share a short proposal titled Improving Finance Operational Efficiency. As we continue growing as a vaccine and serum distributor, efficiency become increasingly important. However, many of our current financial and operational processes still rely heavily on manual work. For example, tasks like entering invoices, reconciling data, and tracking inventory are still done using spreadsheet and paper records, I mean. Because of this manual workflow, reporting often takes longer than it should. And sometimes the data we receive from different departments is inconsistent or maybe outdated. This can affect decision making, cause delays in payment, and even increase the risk of stock issues for essential vaccine products. According to recent industry research, 52% of business leaders believe their supply chains need improvement, and 45 of executives are now accelerating digital transformation efforts to solve similar challenges. This shows that many companies are already moving forward with automation and digital tools, meaning improvement is not only beneficial but necessary for competitiveness. Now, look at of the chart that I show you. The chart shows the main factors contributing to supply chain issues. The top cause include global political unrest in 58%, which is the biggest contributor. The second one would be lack of raw material of component in 44%. The third one is rising fuel and energy costs in 40%. And then there is a regulation and compliance changes in 36%. And the last, rising interest rates and lack of contingency planning, both 34%. These five factors is really uh, big, and we need to consider these factors. But other significant causes include pandemic, which is COVID-19, impacts, inflation, reliance on foreign suppliers, labor shortage, and remote working, lower impact, but still, relevant factors include changes in consumer behavior and the just-in-time inventory model. Overall, the chart shows that external global pressures and internal operational weaknesses combine to create major supply chain problems. To address these challenges, I'm proposing four improvement steps. The first one is upgrade our ERP system. A modern cloud-based ERP will centralize inventory, accounting, and sales data into a single platform. This will replace manual spreadsheet and give us real-time visibility across department. Number two, step two, automate routine finance tasks. Tasks like invoice processing, monthly reconciliation, and report generation can be automated. Automation has been shown to increase accuracy, reduce operating expenses, and improve processing speed. Step number three is use data analytics and dashboard. With analytic tools, we can turn raw financial data into useful insights. This helps us forecast cash flow, identify trends earlier, and make decisions based on reliable real-time information. Step number four, or the last step. Finally, to ensure a smooth transition, I recommend a training workshop for the finance team so everyone can understand and use the new technology effectively. Now, this is the benefit. By applying this improvement, PT Sagip Kapi can experience one, faster and more accurate reporting, two, reduce manual workload, three, better data accuracy and decision making, and then there is an improvement on inventory tracking. The number five would be higher productivity and employee confidence. And then the last benefit would be stronger support for company growth. This improvement will not only streamline how we work, but also help us become more reli- reliable, responsive, and competitive in the market. In closing, or to summarize my proposal, upgrading our system and processes will allow PT Sagi Capri to operate more efficiently and support future growth. So thank you very much for your time and attention. I would be happy to discuss this proposal further at your convenience. Once again, thank you very much and good morning.